Time. Time. 2 times. 2 times. 3 times. 3 times. Once. Once. Twice. Twice. Once a day. Once a day. Twice a day. Twice a day. 5 times a day. 5 times a day. How many times? How many times? An hour. An hour. A month. A month. A year. A year. A dentist. A dentist. Often. Often. How often? How often? Time. Time. 2 times. 2 times. 3 times. 3 times. Once. Once. Twice. Twice. Once a day. Once a day. Twice a day. Twice a day. 5 times a day. 5 times a day. How many times? How many times? An hour. An hour. A month. A month. A year. A year. A dentist. A dentist. Often. Often. How often? How often? Do you eat once a day? No, I don't eat once a day. Do you eat twice a day? No, I don't eat twice a day. Do you eat 7 times a day? No, I don't eat 7 times a day. How many times a day do you eat? I eat 3 times a day. Are there 20 hours in a day? No, there aren't 20 hours in a day. Are there 34 hours in a day? No, there aren't 34 hours in a day. Are there 24 hours in a day? Yes, there are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. Do you go to work once a week? No, I don't go to work once a week. Do you go to work twice a week? No, I don't go to work twice a week. How many times a week do you go to work? I go to work 5 times a week. On which days do you go to work? I go to work Monday through Friday. Do you eat before you go to work in the morning? Yes, I eat before I go to work in the morning. What time does your workday begin? My workday begins at 9 a.m. Are there 20 months in a year? No, there aren't 20 months in a year. Are there 11 months in a year? No, there aren't 11 months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Do you go to a movie theater once a year? No, I don't go to a movie theater once a year. Do you go to a movie theater 3 times a month? Yes, I go to a movie theater 3 times a month. How often do you go to a movie theater? I go to a movie theater 3 times a month. Do you like to watch movies at a movie theater? Yes, I like to watch movies at a movie theater. Do you like to sleep at a movie theater? No, I don't like to sleep at a movie theater. How many times a month do you go to a movie theater? I go to a movie theater 3 times a month. Do you like to go to a dentist 4 times a week? No, I don't like to go to a dentist 4 times a week. Do you like to go to a dentist every day? No, I don't like to go to a dentist every day. Do you go to a dentist once a year? Yes, I go to a dentist once a year. How often do you go to a dentist? I go to a dentist once a year. Do you often take the elevator? Yes, I often take the elevator. Do tall apartment buildings usually have elevators? Yes, tall apartment buildings usually have elevators. What do tall apartment buildings usually have? Tall apartment buildings usually have elevators. When people go to a movie theater, do they usually eat junk food? Yes, when people go to a movie theater, they usually eat junk food. When people go to a movie theater, do they usually eat healthy food? No, when people go to a movie theater, they don't usually eat healthy food. What food do people usually eat at a movie theater? People usually eat junk food at a movie theater. Do you eat pasta with your hands? No, I don't eat pasta with my hands. What do you eat pasta with? I eat pasta with a fork. What do people eat sushi with? People eat sushi with chopsticks.